Going to fall into sustainability for your next soiree with stuff you already have at home.
Joining us this morning with sustainable and delicious drinks to cozy up to this season is entertaining expert Paul Zahn. Darling, you look fantastic.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys. We love Mother Nature, but you know what else we love?
Yes.
Cocktails.
A libation.
Cocktails.
Hello.
Exactly.
Yeah, so let's jump into this. You have a lot of things to get to,
Yes.
and you've already started with a unique room mist?
We're doing a room refresher. So what
Okay.
I did was I took some lavender essential oils in there, and we're going to put in 1 part water and 1 part vodka.
Vodka.
So this is
Say.
a chemical-free room refresher. So you want to you can spray, you know, your linens, you can spray your curtains, everything like that with it.
Even the sofa.
And then shake it, even the sofa.
So after a tough day, you're kind of licking the linens and the
Come on, baby.
No, it's just so when you're having guests over, you know, you're being more sustainable, and then you spray it.
I
Like
love
that.
this.
Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
And that was just vodka?
Vodka, water, and
And-
lavender essential
That's the
oils.
scent.
Yeah,
Can we use any kind of essential oil?
yeah, whatever flavor you want. You can
Maybe
do cinnamon.
eucalyptus?
You can do
Cinnamon?
cinnamon. And speaking of cinnamon, we are
Yes.
doing a cinnamon infusion with an espresso martini here. So what I did was I took a little container and I put some cinnamon sticks. We all have those laying around.
Sure.
Filled it with some vodka, and that's going to give us. I just did this overnight. Cinnamon infused vodka.
And that happened overnight.
That happened
to
overnight,
color.
just
Wow.
like that.
Yeah.
So we are doing an espresso martini. So we're doing 1 ounce of espresso, and we're going to do 1 ounce of the cinnamon infused vodka, like so. And then we are doing 1 ounce of Galliano espresso liqueur. This is
Excuse you.
Yes, it is an Italian liqueur from Italy.
Oh,
It's
sure.
From the source.
No, it will.
robust coffee flavor.
Do you like an espresso martini? You must
I
have been
love an
making it.
espresso martini. And I made you guys some affogatos. What do you think of those?
This
While
is
you're
amazing.
shaking.
Yes.
This is like a drink and a dessert in one.
This is an ice cream.
So it's just ice cream and a shot of the Galliano espresso liqueur. So it's a spiked affogato.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
It's
like
perfect for a
not
holiday
getting
soiree. And
Look
here
at
we
you.
go, voila. We have the perfect cinnamon espresso martini.
My
Like
A
goodness.
cinnamon espresso martini.
I like
That's a
this
first.
just because, like you
I've
said,
before.
these things you have at home.
Yes.
And it's also like if you're entertaining folks, or if you have a get together,
Yes.
suddenly you look in your apartment and there's 5 friends, and you don't know what to
now
do.
what do I do?
I'm like,
Well,
okay.
There you go.
I just
There you
feel
go.
I like the
Elevated.
autumnal feel to all this,
Yes,
so it's perfect.
exactly,
Very
exactly.
seasonal.
Next up, we all love our pickles.
I do.
What do you do with the jalapenos, the peppercorns, everything like that afterwards?
Usually I throw them out.
Call
throw
you
'em
because
out.
you're going to
That's a
tell us what
mistake.
to
You
do.
take
Exactly, exactly.
Wrong answer, Chris.
So we are going to just infuse some Partita tequila, which is a delicious high-rated tequila that's 100% blue rubber agave.
Wow.
And we're going to infuse that, and we are going to make a Bloody Maria, which is the cousin to the Bloody Mary.
Okay.
You know what? I never liked Mary anyway. I think I'm
Mary-
going to like Maria.
I like Maria better.
I am gonna like Maria.
is
The cousin
our
is-
girl. Maria is our
Cousin's
girl.
kicking it in enough.
You know what I mean?
Cousin's kicking it up just a little bit. I like that.
So then,
What did you just put in here?
this is just Bloody Mary mix that,
Okay.
you know, and then we're just going to shake this up.
Shake it.
And voila, you have a jalapeno infused Bloody Maria.
Maria.
Perfect for fall brunches, everything like that.
Fantastic.
You know what I mean?
I
Now,
love that.
You guys, are you guys ready to be master mixologists?
We are
I am
supposed to
a-
attempt something.
Perfect.
I'm a terrible sandwich maker, and I think I'm an even worse mixologist.
okay,
but
well,
I'm gonna do this.
I'll drink yours. One for you.
Is this yours?
One
This
for
is
you,
mine.
one for you.
Okay.
And we are going to do a pumpkin spice carajillo. So a carajillo is a super popular coffee. Carajillo.
Carajillo.
Carajillo. It's a
look-
popular drink over in Spain and Mexico. It is 1 part of liqueur 43, which is a 43 natural ingredients. It's got a lot of vanilla in it. So we are going to do 1 ounce of that. But first, we're going to do 1 ounce of the delicious espresso there. So you both grab your shot of espresso.
Okay.
That's yours.
And you just pour it in
Pour
there.
that right into the
That's
icing.
it. Right into my vessel.
Right into
Right
your
to your
vessel.
vessel.
This one's
Okay.
pretty easy. Now
Look
we're
at you
going
all
to do some of the
technical
pumpkin
talk.
spice.
How much of
so.
this?
Just a little, just a
little
dash. It
dash.
comes out quick. There you go.
Oh,
like
look at
so.
you tapping.
Now
Oh, I
there you
see
go.
why you're
Yeah,
tapping.
a dash here and
Okay.
there.
And now we're going to do 1 ounce, which is that other side right here.
This
of
stuff has gotten very. Oh, it's this one.
liqueur 43.
Okay.
Yeah, it's got like a lot of vanilla to it, 43 different natural botanicals. You can free pour since you're not a good mixologist. Let's just wing it.
Let's just
So,
wing it. What is it supposed to be? An ounce?
1 ounce, so go 1/1000.
See how you eyeball this.
1/1000. Perfect.
I like
Oh,
this.
she's
No,
going
I'm
to
kidding,
step
I'm
it up.
kidding,
She's
I'm
going to
kidding,
step it up. Find it somewhere, people.
Wow.
And now you're going to just put the top on, give it a shake.
Okay.
Tap and shake.
You have
Yours.
Thank you,
a
sir.
pumpkin spice
I started mine with
patahio.
a straw. So
Okay.
Okay, hopefully
Hold
this
on.
recipe works for you guys. You can stir,
This
you can shake, there are
is
no
an
rules.
adorable
Yes, see?
mason jar.
And we're upcycling some mason jars too. That's the other
Thank
piece.
you.
So that way we're better for the environment and
Sustainable
better for our wallets.
straws.
Those are actually made from avocado pits, the straws.
Really?
Yes.
you.
And we have spaghetti
Wow.
straws somewhere. We have paper straws, but I know people hate the paper straws.
Maybe a
So,
licorice straw?
A licorice straw. You know, we like that. So what do you guys think of your pumpkin spice
oh,
patahio?
This got layers, like
Right? It's
flavors
got some
hit you.
vanilla, it's got
Yes.
some pumpkin.
Yeah.
Watch out, Starbucks. This is the new pumpkin spice
Zahn,
latte.
Holy smokes, you just elevated
That was excellent.
our room, cocktail, everything game. Chin
Cheers.
chin. Salute.
Cheers. Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for coming on the show. And of course, we're going to post all these recipes on our website at pix11.com.
If we don't keep drinking
Nice
this.
one.